Hello and welcome to this course on extracting, transforming, and loading data in Microsoft Power BI. Regular digital activities such as ordering food online, reserving a trip, and using a social media application generate a great deal of data. Now, think about the billions of people who engage in these activities every single day. Then, there are other organizations like universities and banks that perform many other transactions that may need to be stored in different ways. Businesses also need to gather data from different sources, for example, from their customers, from other companies, and from the government. Now, imagine all that data living in different places and being stored in different ways. How can a company make sense of all of this? That's where data analysts come in. One of their jobs is to extract data from different sources, transform it in a way that it can be used, and load it into a tool to help the analysis process, like Power BI. This is what you will learn in this course: how to extract, transform, and load data, a process also known as ETL. Before data can be used to tell a story, it must first be processed so that it is usable as a story. Data analysis is the process of identifying, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data to discover meaningful and useful information. The data is then crafted into a story through reports for analysis to support the critical decision-making process. In this learning path, you will learn about the life and journey of a data analyst and the skills, tasks, and processes they have to master to tell a story with data. You'll discover how getting the data analysis story correct enables businesses to make informed decisions. By now, you should have learned how to harness the power of data in Power BI and how it benefits an organization. In this course, you will get to explore various topics and elements involved in the career of a data analyst, including identifying how to collect data from multiple sources and configuring it in Power BI, preparing and cleaning data for analysis, and inspecting and analyzing ingested data to ensure data integrity. This course will give you a solid foundation in these topics and offer you opportunities to practice extracting, transforming, and loading data into Power BI. Now let's briefly outline the course content so you can have an idea of what's to come in your learning journey as you explore the extract, transform, and load process. First, you will learn about the extract portion of the ETL process. You will focus on data sources and how to extract data and configure storage modes in Power BI. Then, you will move on to the transform portion of the ETL process. You will practice cleaning and transforming data to prepare it for data modeling. You will also learn about data cleaning, using Power Query, and how to use applied steps. Next, you will cover the load portion of ETL and practice using data profiling and advanced queries. You will also learn about referencing queries and data flows and using the advanced editor to modify code. To assist your learning, you will also get to apply your newly gained skills in exercises, quiz questions, and self-reviews. To consolidate your learning and put it into practice, you will complete a practical assignment. In this assignment, you will be provided a business scenario from AdventureWorks, a fictional business, where you need to gather data from multiple data sources to clean and transform. You will have the opportunity to apply the knowledge you gained in this course to join and merge these data sources, identify and remove anomalies using profiling tools. After this practical assignment, you will complete a final graded assessment. Be assured that everything you need to complete the assessment will be covered during your learning, with each lesson made up of video content, readings, and quizzes. In addition, you can share your knowledge and discuss challenges with other learners. These discussions are also a great way to grow your network of contacts in the data analysis world, so be sure to get to know your classmates and stay connected during and after your course. This course is also a great way to prepare for the Microsoft PL300 exam. By passing the PL300 exam, you'll earn the Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst certification. The exam measures your ability to prepare data, model data, visualize and analyze data, and deploy and maintain assets. In this course, you will learn the process of extract, transform, and load. You will identify how to collect data from and configure multiple sources in Power BI and prepare and clean data using Power Query. You'll also have the opportunity to inspect and analyze ingested data to ensure data integrity. Now that you have an overview of what this course is about, it's time to take the next step and prepare for a career as a data analyst using Power BI.